short video, I really have found an amazing wax. Thank you to Stitcherista. Props to her, she found it and I've tried it. I love it. I want to pass it along to you guys. I've told my subscribers, but I want to tell everybody else, this is amazing. Quake Hold. You can get it on Amazon. This one, it comes in different colors. This one's called a neutral cream. It doesn't really matter. It's museum putty. The idea is that you can put it under objects on shelves and then they won't fall off the shelf. But it makes an amazing diamond painting wax. I have had this pen loaded for about 2 days. I've been diamond painting all week and have only changed the wax once. Not 24/7, but you know, I do a good amount of diamond painting. So I'm going to take you down to the table and show you how good this works, even after a couple of days. So hold on. Okay, I'm back. We're down at the table. I'm going to show you, even after several days with the same wax, just how good this lays down. Even the single tip. Did I just drop that on the, yeah, we'll just put it in place there. The single tip as well. The single tip doesn't seem to last quite as long. It still lasts a good long time. Way better than other waxes I have tried. Let me go back to the multi-placing and just kind of show you. I mean, this is literally after at least 2 days. And I've been diamond painting all morning with this same wax. I went live this morning at 11 Central and it's now 2. So with the exception of a break for lunch, I've been using the same wax all morning. I do want to show you how well this works with AB drills. So hold on. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to place some AB drills and show you just how easy this is. It gets a little gummy, but it doesn't pull the wax out of place. See, it's a little gummy here. Now this wax you can get on Amazon, or you can, it's less than $4 on Amazon, and you can actually get it at Walmart. It's about $1 more at Walmart, but then you don't have to wait for your product. So, and literally, let me show you, since I've started doing this. Oh, let me do some single placing here before we move on here. Look, single placing. No problem. Look how nice that goes down. Just bumped the camera. Sorry, guys. Isn't that amazing? Okay, the last thing I want to show you is what it looks like. When you take it out of the package, this is what it looks like. You open it up, and it really looks like a big piece of saltwater taffy. And look, this is how much I've used since I started. It just takes like a teeny tiny bit, and then I just put the rest back. Like, just, this is gonna last me quite a while. So guys, again, you know, I really like this product, Quake Hold Museum Putty, thanks to Stitcherista. If you go to her channel, I think she's having a giveaway of this product. But like I said, you can get it at Walmart or Amazon. So guys, thanks for coming on this journey with me, and I hope to bring you some better products, more products soon. Take care.